guys, it's me, Aditi's twin.
We just randomly, okay, so she can't, well, I don't know how to speak English. Okay. So she dropped by my house. Why are you bouncing up and down? We like the same. Oh my god.
Because we have glasses on too, and I like...
Okay, anyways, so she came over and we're painting my wall. As you can see, it's pretty ugly. Oh my gosh.
Just like you. Happy International Women's Day.
We're part of the Red Cross.
This guy at Home Depot stopped us and was like, oh, you girls are part of the Red Cross. Little does he know I got kicked out last year and they like don't go to a single meeting. Oops.
Okay, we're gonna paint this wall purple. I don't know how to use a key, whatever that means, so I don't know how to open the paint thing, but we'll figure it out together. So this is our great work so far. We finally opened it. It spilt it quite a bit, but it's fine. Progress. Oh, it looks really nice actually.
Thank you. Welcome to the purple wall. This is art. See, this could be an art gallery. And they would call it like lilac. Wow, very satisfying friends. Is it this way? Oh, I guess you can go back the other way. Wait, why don't we go? We should probably figure out what. Yeah.
Oh, the lighting test.
Hiking! I thought you were thinking Baku. Yeah, honestly. Just like the water and just like slide this way.
Slide.
It's so nice.
Down the stairs to the cliff.
Amazing. Irish Tigers want to be Kansas right here. Oh no! Wait. Hold on. I think yeah, watch out. You got it.
You good?
Oh! You got it? I'm okay. You good? Yes.
Jay, you're good.
I definitely. That way. Yeah.
Can you do it? Let me just move.
Oh, you can't pass if you're a fat man.
That is the idea. This is fun.
There's more. I brought my backpack.
No, you can go around, can't you?
Look at that.
I know. Wow. That looks so good.
Oh, she looks so happy.
Round and round. Oh, that's right. Wow, hello. So we just had brunch, right?
It was very
Not those.
It was very tasty. I had French toast.
salmon. Your French toast looks so good.
So listening to Wheels on the bus. Oh. Wow, we went hiking, so we did a big sweat.
Okay.
Big sweat, big shine, big glow.
Big, yeah.
Yeah, we don't sweat.
Yeah, we don't sweat, we glow.
We glow. I like to call myself dewy. Oh, so, oh my god, yes, the Jonas Brothers! Ready, 1, 2, 3, ah! You know when like girls scream, ah, the Jonas Brothers! Okay,
Oh, the Jonas Brothers!
Yeah. The girl that I work with is doing big fast.
Wait, did you have a job?
I said, just sweet.
What would I cook for lunch?
It's Pie Day.
For lunch?
Where are we?
Provision coffee bar.
Yeah, also hair salon. I'm drinking a honey lavender latte. What are you drinking?
I have a cappuccino.
And I got the Winnie Palmer tea because I don't drink coffee. Hey guys, it is February 6th. It's a Wednesday, I believe, and I'm going to the Perch, which is a brewery and I said that weird, brewery and brunch place. And I think they also serve lunch and dinner. And they have birds there, which is really cool. I got a clip of that. I'm going with Ananya, Swetha, and Sneha. I'm so excited. I haven't hung out with them ever, I think, which was so crazy because we've been going to school together for the past 8 years, but we're filming a drive with us on the way there, so hopefully that's fun. I've got my GoPro ready. Hopefully it doesn't fall a billion times because I don't have tape, so wish me luck. But yeah, we're gonna have a great time and I'll show you guys when we get there. Bye. Hi! Where's Nadia?
Oh, yeah, you got it there.
How are you guys?
We're good.
So far.
Very excited for BLD.
Yes.
The school's out. I'm done.
Yeah, I know. But I mean, I'm trying to miss everybody, so
Yeah.
that's really great. We're all
Always
good
great
here.
to see everybody.
Yeah.
But we're at BLD and we're gonna get brunch, so woohoo!
I don't know why your eyes are not squinting. Wow, a knife stuck in there. Unexpected.
Hey guys, just wanted to pop in and say that I just won our school science fair, at least in my division, for health sciences. Super excited about that. I'm going to state, so I'll be there in April. I didn't catch a glimpse of any of the science fair, sorry about that, but hopefully I'll have a clip in April for you guys to look back on. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. It's Vaisha's birthday. I'm so excited. We have so much planned. I can't wait for you to see it. It's her birthday!
Yeah, yay!
Oh, I got you a forever rose, so you can't even see it die, but you can watch it now.
Oh, that's so awesome! I can add it to my collection!
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Also, I think it lights up somehow. I don't know how.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. Okay, I'm so ready. This is so exciting. Oh, good.
Gotta get the good. Oh, very good.
Oh. Oh my god, you did it! I really wanted one so bad!
Oh, yeah.
You're such a oh my god! Oh no! And you got matching bracelets? I don't understand. Okay. Oh! I'm crying! Yeah!
You have such a small mouth.
Oh, excuse me. Racist.
Whoa! Don't eat it. Don't eat that. That's not gonna make you feel good after.
Take
Take it out.
Chew, you dumb bitch.
that. It's just like a spatula kind of thing.
Hey guys, it's Mushnubu's birthday. Wow, this lighting is so nice.
Yeah, wait, you want to see these gifts to me? Wow, isn't it so pretty? Flexing. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful. We're going on a happy birthday!
Okay, should I make wish?
Yes, big wish. We're gonna explain where we are and what we're doing.
We're at the Iskan temple. Aditi's donating blood. I'm gonna do it later. It's a great way to like save lives. You save at least 3 people each time, which is pretty cool.
That's really
right?
cool, yeah.
Like I haven't saved any lives, like myself, but donating blood I've saved like 6 so far, so
That's
that's good.
Oh, is it your second time donating blood?
This is my thing.
It's your third time. This is my first time. Very excited. I look so wild, okay? Catch you guys after. Hey guys, just donated some blood. Super excited about that. You guys should too. Check out your next blood drive in any local area. People need it. Just do it. Okay, see you guys in the next clip.
That's pretty close.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. We're bowling and the BP's beeping my ass.
Yeah, totally. 154 to 243. That's all me. We painted pants. Painted peacock. Can you show me your feathers? Very nice. Yay. I painted hands. Woohoo.
Hands.
And we're gonna wear this someday and take pictures.
Yay!
So, woohoo.
It's gonna be so much more like later than when we actually painted it, but that's okay, kind of.
It's okay. This is our beautiful palette. Those are my hands.
Coffee. I could do coffee.
Oh, and the colors are so beautiful, right?
What are we doing? Hi! Every year that I've been on the basketball team, I've written little notes to every single person on the team, and we're making a dictionary for our coach with everything that he usually says. I'll show you guys how it turns out in the end, but so excited to give these to everyone. I'm gonna wrap them nicely, and I've written them, each of their names on the front, and some cursive, and yeah, I'll catch you guys at the party. So I finished wrapping each one, a little candy in the back, and yeah. I guess it's party time. Hey guys, I'm headed to Emily's house for a basketball party. I just showed you guys everything that I made. Super excited to put things together. Got some food and yeah, we're gonna have a good time. Hopefully we play some fun games and catch some clips of that. But the sky is so pretty, so check this out.
Okay.
What happened to my hand?
I tried, I'm sorry.
I didn't look like a guy who Kendall, did you draw that?
No, I did.
Thanks. Wow. And that's huge. That's huge.
We should go read through it.
Yeah, you should read through it.
And careful, don't break it. Are you capturing every one of his childhood moments?
Hi Keegan, do you say hi to my vlog?
Hi, we had a good time playing basketball. Oh, sorry.
We just played basketball.
Yes.
And Keegan won.
Yeah, I know. I'll bet hard work and determination. We made it. After what, an hour and a half?
Ability to throw like 5
Yeah.
threes.
Hello. How do you feel? So excited. I can't even get you in the frame because you're bouncing. Wait, this looks so weird when you can't see the whole thing. Am I just like that?
L is for the way you low. It's extraordinary. B is for very, very extraordinary. It's for extortion.
They know it's not good, right? E
It's for every day you spend with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know why I always sound like this when I'm with you. Like super fake. You always have to. We're going to a basketball game because we always love going back to school. Okay, see you guys at school.
Hey vlog, it's me. Can I zoom? Well, clearly not. You can't zoom. But I'll hit you with dab, and a double dab, triple dab. Bye.
Happy birthday from the Chili Crew. We wish it was our birthday so we could party today. Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's fine.